Almost half a year had passed as Raya waited for financial assistance from the government that would help with her studies. Raya is seen standing in a long line outside a provincial gymnasium, waiting for government financial assistance. The sun is hot, and the people around her show a mix of hope and anticipation as they wait for help. While waiting, Raya sits with her close friend Retha. They engage in a quiet conversation as others around them anxiously wait. Despite the delays, their friendship offers comfort in the midst of uncertainty. The governor of their province, Sara Tamiga, arrives to deliver a speech. Dressed in a Filipiniana, she addresses the crowd about the government's plans, while the people listen attentively, yet with a sense of skepticism. Raya's family home, a traditional bahay kubo, is set in a vast field, surrounded by banana trees and rice paddies. Clothes are drying on a line, and chickens roam freely. This scene represents the deep, long-standing connection the family has with their land. The barangay residents gather to discuss the government's relocation project. The officials present their plans, but the people, especially the farmers and elders, express frustration and concern. This marks the beginning of a struggle for their land. Amid the growing uncertainty, Raya's grandmother embraced her and encouraged her not to lose hope. The day of relocation arrives, and Raya's family begins packing their belongings into tricycle and makeshift wooden carts. The bahay kubo is slowly being dismantled as neighbors watch sadly. This marks the painful reality of losing their home.
"Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to us?"
said Mang Ben. An elder in the community shouts at the government official overseeing the relocation. He gestures angrily toward the bulldozer preparing to demolish their land. The crowd is divided, with some expressing anger while others remain silent. While Raya stands on a dirt road with a small bag over her shoulder, looking back one last time at her home, her family moves ahead toward an uncertain future, but Raya's eyes reflect resilience and hope. The golden-orange sunset in the background symbolizes both the end of an era and the promise of a new beginnings.